Hello rapid sell buyers, here's another van for you in this auction. It's a 2005 Chevy Express 2500 series. As you can hear, the motor's running. We had to boost it to start it, cold weather, but you can hear that motor, it's running good. And that's that 5.3 liter engine. Listen to it running. No shakes or shimmies in it at all. And the whole body has been rust proof. You see the oil guard working. And the body on this is good. The motor's working good. We haven't driven on the road. We'll need some new tires on it. But again, as you can see, the body's good. The side entrance door, the bottom hinge needs to be fixed right there. So we'll just crack it open so you can take a look inside here. So anyways, this needs a fixing down there. In the back, she's a shorter body, not like the other one's a longer body. This is the shorter body, I believe, by the looks of it. It's got the ladder rack up on top. Gotta get that hinge fixed. As you can see up top. But again, you know that exhaust is burning nice and clean. No heavy smoke at all. In the back, the back door's locked, but it's been oil guard. Lights are on, the rack's up top, the body's nice and straight, it's not heavy dents, no heavy dents, scratches. Underneath, you know, it's decent, you know, it's just the usual, no heavy rust at all around it. So we'll go inside, you take a look here, you can see it's got 191,000 kilometers on it. It's running good. The fan might need a new module in it for the speed control, whatever it is. Again, you know, the seats are the normal. Got a little bit of wear on them for the mechanics, etc. But overall, here's a truck again that somebody could put a little bit of money into it and have a nice little work truck for somebody. It's just got the hand cranks on it. But again, the motor runs good in it, you can hear it. So ladies and gentlemen, here's an opportunity for somebody. Running good. Take it home, get your mechanic to go over it, put another man on the field, charge your $125 an hour per man, and away you go. So ladies and gentlemen, there's your 2005 with 190 some odd thousand kilometers on it. So enjoy your opportunity.